This man was told his lost dog was spotted in a local field. This is what happened when he picked him up.
Hey goat, you want to get in my truck too? Come on, hop in there. Everybody just get in. Come on, get in there. Yep, hop in. I'll take y'all with me. Yep, I got a goat and 2 dogs in my truck. Get in the back, just make yourself at home.
I caught you red-handed. Red-handed, I caught you. Getting your Kong. No, ma'am. All for this. All for this.
Oh, I see a snake. Oh my god, that's a hognose. That's a hognose. Oh my god. No way. You're kidding me. Oh my god. Oh, watch, watch, watch. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. He's playing dead. Now watch this. Watch this. I'm going to flip him over on his stomach and look what he does. Flips right back over. Once they get into this mode, they want you to think they're dead so bad that they will do just about anything. I cannot believe. Earlier this year, I got a prairie king at this spot. And now a freaking hognose snake.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him.
So fennec foxes eat like a lot of different kinds of things, but I will show you what I feed an 8-week-old. So they either get canned chicken or they get canned cat food, and then I also mix it with some fruit and vegetables for them. I usually feed the canned chicken when they get bigger. So when they're babies, they eat canned cat food with their fruit and everything, and then they move up to canned chicken with their fruit and vegetables and all the other minerals that they need. So they need a lot of protein, and I'm gonna say this wrong, but terrain is like very important in fennec foxes, so they always have to have that. But they're always so fast and so much zoomy. Come on. Hey, baby.
viên trà. À, quá thật.
Hello, hi guys, hello, hi. I drank mom's coffee again, and mom's coffee is very, 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 very strong, and I feel like I can conquer the world and catch all the squirrels. White chocolate mocha is the shit and makes me feel very, very.
He was excited seeing outside until he saw a big bird flying.